What is Hide PHP and should you use it? This is episode 1 of How to Hide PHP. In the next 3 minutes, you'll know exactly what Hide is, what problem it solves, who it's for, and just as important, when you shouldn't use it. Hide PHP is a static site generator built on Laravel. You write your content in Markdown or in Blade templates, then run one build command. Hide compiles everything into plain HTML, CSS, and JavaScript in a folder called _site. There's no database and no server-side code in production. The output is just files, and you can host them anywhere. GitHub pages, Netlify, an S3 bucket, or any plain web server. So what problem does that solve? If you're a Laravel developer, spinning up a full Laravel app just to serve a blog, some docs, or a landing page is overkill. You'd be maintaining a server, a database, and security updates for pages that never change. The usual alternative is a static site generator from another ecosystem, like Jekyll, Hugo, or Eleventy. But that means learning a new language and new templating. Hide gives you static output with the tools you already know: Composer, artisan-style commands, Blade, and Tailwind CSS. Day-to-day, Hide is Markdown first. Drop a Markdown file into the right folder and Hide turns it into a page, a blog post, or a documentation page with layout, navigation, and dark mode handled for you with zero configuration. And when Markdown isn't enough, you have the full power of Laravel waiting. Any page can be a full Blade template instead, with components, loops, and everything else Blade can do. So who is it for? 2 groups mainly. First, Laravel developers who want static output without leaving their ecosystem. And second, anyone who wants Markdown-first content, like blogs, documentation, or simple marketing sites, but with real templating power available the moment they need it. And when should you not use it? Hide is not for dynamic applications. If you need user accounts, server-side form handling, or database queries at runtime, you want regular Laravel. That's literally what it's for. Hide itself also requires you to be comfortable working with the command line, as Hide is a CLI application that works with files on the system. Bottom line, if you know Laravel and you need a blog, docs, or a simple site that ships as plain HTML, Hide is about the shortest path there is. In episode 2, we'll install Hide PHP and get a site running locally in under 5 minutes. See you there.